This etude is pure charm. It's fast, yes, but it should never sound forced. Chopin gives you 5 black keys and says, now dance and have fun. Your right hand touch should feel like fingers bouncing on velvet. Effortless, breezy, never stiff. Think of beautiful bubbles, not bullets. Don't let the left hand become heavy. It plays the role of a graceful companion, occasionally singing, but never stealing the spotlight. Keep it light and elegant, gently supporting the rhythm beneath the right hand's playful line, like a dancer moving quietly in step beneath the main part. This piece can tempt you to show off. Resist. Speed means nothing if the lines blur. Velocity alone means nothing if it comes at the expense of clarity. But when coupled with character and precision, speed can become irresistibly charming. Let each glittering run be clear, like light through crystal. There's joy in every bar, even mischief. Let that come through in your phrasing. It's not serious, it's sophisticated humor. Noble but fun. So show it. This etude proves that virtuosity doesn't have to be loud. Play it with elegance, with wit, with charm. If you do it right, the audience won't just be impressed. They'll be smiling. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about music, piano, interpretation, emotion, and everything that makes music great and human. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an awesome day.